LOL confetti pop ball.
Or a slam kit. Angel and Leo was really good at school and they was really good at sports day, so I bought Leo.
This has even got the blind bags in it.
Yeah. So I bought Leo this big massive gun and Angel got some LOL dolls and she's decided to give one away to her fans. So guys, comment down below if you want a slam kit or an LOL ball. Leave a comment which one you want.
Confetti pop.
And it's a confetti pop ball. And if we pick your name out, then you'll win one of these and we'll send it out to you and then you can make some slime yourself. But today the video is Leo is going to try and shoot me, Keisha and Angel while we're driving the golf buggy. Yeah? Who's going to drive?
Me, I've never driven.
Okay, we'll take...
when you're sitting on top of them.
Okay, I'll make you a deal, Leo. If you... You're a bad driver, Keisha.
I'll probably will be a bad driver.
Right, Leo, I'll tell you what the rule is. If you hit me with that gun while we're driving, I'll sit on top of the golf post and then you can shoot me off.
Yeah.
If you hit me while I'm driving, okay? Right, ready?
Yeah.
Right, I'll be the passenger and let Angel and Keisha drive. Remember guys, if you want to win a massive slime kit, just leave a comment down below if you want slime or an LOL doll, and if you win, we'll send one to you. I don't think I've got the best driver here. Leo! Ow! No, you get me, you get me!
I just got you! Yeah, I just got you!
I'm going to sit on the golf post because Leo shot me with the Nerf gun. And I don't even think he'll be able to hit me anyway. Yeah?
Go!
I'm going. Angel's driving's rubbish. That's why I've got to do this. I don't even think I'll be able to get on. Come on, keep going. Oh. Right, Leo, step back. Angel, move back. Right, you're not allowed to be too close. Right, now it's your turn to sit on there. Alright, we're right in my ear. Your turn.
No, how will I get up?
Pass me the gun, Leo. I'm going to fill the bullets up. Leo's going to hang on there, and then I'm going to shoot him with this. And then I'll be the winner. Guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Look at that! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Got my own back on him.
If you want the LOL doll or the slam kit, comment down below.